Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. In this additional, we have here 7 puzzles. The first one, letter Sudoku. The second one, a 2-star Sudoku. Third one, 3-star Sudoku. Fourth one, 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and finally the binary puzzle number 1. Other puzzles are not interested, so total of 7 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will do, because it's too much for me and time consuming. So I only do 4 of them, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle I will do. So the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 3061. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, plus 3, total of 25 printed digits. Correct. Alright, for a 3-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku have always 25 printed digits. And for a 3-star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes, I see a lot of 4s. Let me start with the 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, so in that row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay. Then, let me see. 4. 4. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 7. Okay. Think. The 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8. 9. Okay. 4, 8, 5. Yeah. 6. Think. 8, 3. Uh, 6, 6. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. This one. 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the last column. A 9 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column between. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in these three boxes. The 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. So what are the other three numbers in this big square? The 2 is missing. The 5 is missing. Well, we see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 7 are left. Yes, let me mark those two boxes, 2 and a 7. All right. 2 and a 7. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, the 3. 1. No. 1, 4, 2, 7. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. The 1 and the 4 is missing. The 2 and the 7 are missing. So we need a pair with the 2 and the 7 and the pair with the 1 and the 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 here in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. So the 2 and the 7 should be here. 2 and 7. That means the other pair, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 here. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1. 2 and the 7 are left. 2 and the 7, yes, as a pair. Okay. Here also a pair, 2 and the 7. So what are those missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. No. 9 we have here. 1 and a 6, I believe. Yes, 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. So those are three missing numbers. 2 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. Yeah, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. All right, 1, 1. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in these three boxes. The 4 and an 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Those two numbers in this column, the 9 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark those. That means one box left in this big square for number 1. Okay, 3 and a 9. I need a 1 here. Okay. Do we have all the 4s? 4. We have a pair. 4 and a 5 in the first row. 4 and a 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 and a 5 should be here, or there. Look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, 1, 1, 3, 9. Yeah. I have 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2. 7, 6. Yeah. I'm thinking. 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Still cannot fill this yet. 5. We have a 4 there. 5. 1, 8. I'm thinking 8. 8. Yes, 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. 2, 6, 9. 9. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9 and 3. 3. 2 and 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2, 2, 3. 2, 3, and the 7. 7 should be here. Oh, there. 3, 9, 7. Okay. 7, 3, and 2. 7, 3, and 2. Okay. 9. 9. 3 here. Okay. 6. 3 missing numbers. Here we have 4 and a 5. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here, 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. But we have a 6 here, 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 4 and a 5. Those numbers are the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes and there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, now we have a 9 there, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the numbers. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright, now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. We have 2 and a 7 there, so this box should be a 7, and that box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes and there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3. Goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Quicker than because for 3 stars, my time limit is 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I'm very pleased with the time because I finished this in 18 minutes and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Is this really 3 stars? Let me give this a 2 stars, because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 18 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with time and I like this one. Really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku I will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.